Oh yes, Licoros has finally signed a new deal with Keeper Africa. I just love this amazing soul. Our baby girl is born to rule and born to win. Do you know your firm, your company can contract record keeping deal with Keeper Africa? Yes, now you know. Hello guys, my name is Fidel and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case this is your first time coming across my video on my channel, you are highly welcome to the family. Please support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Also drop a comment for me in the comment section down below and don't forget to like my video. Yes guys, remember yesterday on my last video I told you that Licorose is such a sweetheart. She gave the Shepherds ample time before accepting a new deal. And yes, this is the new deal. Of course, you trust Fidel to always bring you the whole gist and latest gist about Licorose in details. And when watching their trailer about this Keeper Africa, I just remembered the baby girl, the lady I used to see in the arena in Big Brother's house, the one that comes with a mixture of fire and passion and delivery. She sold herself and I bought it and I'm keeping her for life. She's going to be my fave for life. So guys, let me tell you a little bit of this Keeper Africa in case you don't know what they do and what it is for. So guys, before we go into the gist of why Licorose signed this deal, what Keeper Africa is all about and what they do, remember that Licorose is trending worldwide since 12 a.m. today. She is trending all over the world, especially Ghana, Uganda, South Africa, Nigeria, Dubai, and many other wonderful countries. And also let's look at people hyping Licorose. Let's analyze this hype. This is coming from Rant Nigeria Gist. They wrote and I read. Na favorite wey no dey chase clout, no dey fake it to make it, no dey like unnecessary trend, no dey show unnecessary off, the one wey be unproblematic, make her moves in silence, wey like peace, rant go dey, hype dey go. Get a favorite like Licorose, show her fans dey enjoy peace of mind, e must be nice, full stop. That's on period. Yes, it's nice to actually be Lico Lions and Rose Army because our queen, she exudes so much positiveness, so much peace, so much grace. So there is no toxicity in this our family. Like, we are peaceful and we are enjoying it and we're so much grateful for Licorose because she leads by example and we follow. Yes, she makes her move in silence and I'm here to give you all the gist because Licorose don't hype herself enough. So that is why Fidel is here to give you all the gist and all the information and all the hype, the latest. So let's get back to what Keeper Africa is all about. That is the deal, the new deal Licorose signed. And Keeper Africa is a bookkeeping company. Is an app you can download on Play Store, and their feature is that they track your income and expenses. They also generate free invoice for you, business cards. They analyze your profits. They can manage multiple business. At the end of the day, it can download your financial report. It can also recover your debt 3 times faster. They can track customers who owe you. They can track your income and expenses. So this app is good for small business, your firm, your company. You can easily download it on Play Store and start using it if you're having issue generating receipts, invoice. The Keeper app has got all the solution to your bookkeeping problems. December is here. You can enjoy going out with your family and friends while also keeping and taking record of your business. So I think Licorose has done very well by bringing this app and company to our notice because some of us don't know about it before. So endeavor to do your inquiries before, and also if it's okay by you, you can download and keep track of your small business, big business, fame, company, and so much more. Liquorose, we pray your blessing continue to replenish daily until you have an overflow of blessing. Keep winning, keep being you. Thank you guys for coming across my video today and also watching. I really appreciate your love and support for me and my channel.